So we just purchased this keyless entry knob here for the shop. Hated coming out here with the keys every time, always forgot, had to run back in the house. So the keypad thing is definitely an awesome upgrade. It does have regular keys as well, but this is a very solid feeling lock. I mean, it's not one of those cheap ones. It was a great price, but it's nice finish on it. Very solid doorknob, nice push on the buttons. You do the wrong code, it tells you that you did it wrong. You do the right code, it's green, and you can hear it unlock. You can unlock, lock. It also locks you out if you try too many times. It has a lockout attempt, and then I believe it's 4 minutes to get back in. So if somebody's trying to break in, it's going to stop them from trying every combo. The inside, you do have to add 4 batteries, but again, same nice knob on the inside. And a really nice feature about this is it auto locks. So if I forget to lock it, it locks itself after 30 seconds. That is a feature you can turn off, but I really like it. I've got a lot of expensive equipment here in the shop, and I don't want anybody at it. So if you guys are looking for a nice combo lock that's pretty easy to use, very easy to install, I'd definitely check this guy out.